السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
ازيك يا حور، عاملة ايه؟
الحمد لله.
عملتي ايه في الامتحان؟
الحمد لله.
حليتي كويس يعني؟
أمم.
طيب، دلوقتي بقى هنبتدي درس جديد يا حور. جاهزة؟
أيوة.
طيب يلا. Uh, today we will talk about illness and disease. Do you know the meaning of illness?
Yes.
What is the meaning of this word?
Um, something comes for the people make him ill.
Make them feel that they are not in a better situation or they are not well. They feeling that there is something in their bodies. Make them have pain, maybe fever. Fever is to have high temperature. When your body has high temperature or feel hot, this means that you have fever. Okay, so illness and disease, you feel that you are not well. You are not well, so you are in illness or have a disease. Okay, diseases and illness come to animals and plants because animals and plants are living things. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
So animal may feel that they have a disease or they are ill, and plant also because plants are living things. So healthy animals and plants sometimes get illness or disease. Like this plant in this picture. Can you see this plant?
Yes.
Can you see the leaf of the plant?
Yes.
Do you think it's healthy or have a disease?
Have a disease
Why?
because the color of the plant it change.
Yes, very good. The leaf color is green. These plants have a yellow color. Can you see this yellow color? So
Yes.
it's not healthy. It has illness. This plant have illness, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Illness can come to animals and plants because they are living things. Um, um, when I feel ill, what do I feel? I have some signs, some things. I feel it like I am hot. This is a sign that I am have a disease or illness. Okay, okay, Layan.
Okay.
Symptoms are the signs that appear on living things that tell that we are ill. Like this plant. What is the symptoms found in this plant? The symptom is that this plant have a yellow color on its leaf. So this is the symptom. This is the sign that appear on the plant that tell us that this plant is ill. Okay, okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So if there is a human or animal or plant are ill, they have certain symptoms. Certain symptoms, we may feel hot or have spots like this plant, or we have cough or sneeze. Do you know the meaning of cough or sneeze?
Yes.
What the meaning of cough?
The cough
In Arabic,
when
in Arabic, do you know its meaning?
yes
Hmm?
بيكح
Cough, very good. Sneeze,
يعطس.
yeah, very good. These are symptoms. Coughing and sneezing are symptoms. When I feel hot, I have fever. Fever is a sign or symptom for illness. If I have a red spot like this boy have red spots in his face. It might not be clear here in the picture, but he have red spots on his face. This spots is a symptom for disease. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
So if any animal or man or plant have a disease or have illness, he have certain symptoms. These symptoms are signs of the disease. Signs that tell that we are in illness, like feeling hot, like having spots, like coughing or sneezing. These are all called symptoms. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
Okay. Plants can have symptoms as well. Their leaves may change color or fall off. This is symptoms for the plants. If their leaves change color like this one or fall of the plant, the leaves may fall of the plant. This is symptoms for illness in the plant. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
okay. Symptoms are signs that help scientists identify the disease the living thing has. When we feel that we are not well or we have a disease, we go to who? We go to doctor. Is it true, Hor?
Yes.
Yes, we go to the doctor. The doctor is trying to identify the disease that we have. How can he identify this disease? He can identify the disease that we have from the symptoms. When we tell the doctor that we have a fever and we have sneezing, okay, he can know the type of the disease that we have. Okay, so these symptoms is important to tell the scientist or the doctor to identify the disease that we have. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the illness or a disease?
The illness when
We feel,
people
yes,
we feel unwell.
very good. That when we feel unwell, okay. What is the symptoms?
The symptoms are the signs that help scientists identify the
Identify.
disease
Yes.
and
Identify.
identify the disease the living thing has.
Very good. Can you tell me examples for symptoms?
Yes,
Yes, tell me please.
we may feel hot, have spots, cough, or sneeze.
Very good, Hor. Hor ممتازة. ما شاء الله. Okay. Come on, let's answer this question together. What illness have you and other learners in your class had? Can you tell me about illness that you have or that you had? Any day?
I don't remember. I don't remember.
What about cold? What about flu? Have you ever got flu or cold?
Yes, I get cold.
Yes, for sure. All of us get cold. All of us some days have cold or flu or cough. Okay. We can do a survey to find the answer to this question. A survey is to ask a group of people about the disease that they have. Then you collect information and put it in this table or in table like this. If we will make a survey in your class, we'll ask your friends or partners about the illness that they have. then we write how many students have a flu or have cold, and we write them in this table like this one. Here he asks his friends about if they have got a chickenpox. Do you know the chickenpox disease?
No.
chickenpox جدري. جالك جدري قبل كده يا حور؟
لا.
Okay. So it's a disease that
No.
okay. Chickenpox is a disease that make us have um, uh, spots or stings in our skin. Okay. This is a disease which is very infectious. Can you know what the meaning of infectious?
Yes.
That the disease can be spread out in a big number of people. Okay, if anyone have a chickenpox and go to school, he will make the chickenpox spread to all his partners in the class because the chickenpox is an infectious disease. Okay,
Like the COVID-19.
very good, like COVID-19. COVID-19 is infectious disease. When someone have a COVID-19 and go to school or go to the class, this disease can spread and all his partners may catch COVID-19. Very good. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is about the illness and the disease. Okay, if we have illness or we have a disease, what shall we do? What would we do to decrease the pain? Can you know the pain or the ache? Do you know
What's
the
the meaning of the
pain? Pain? Do you know the meaning of the word pain?
No.
Pain. When something is aching me, when I have يعني وجع أو ألم. Pain is ألم. يعني في حاجة بتوجعني. When I have ache on my head or I have pain on my head, I called it headache. Headache when I have pain in my head. صداع يعني. Okay, this is headache. Okay, حور?
Okay.
When I feel that I have a disease or that I am not feeling well, what would I do? I will go to
Go to the doctor.
Very good. I will go to the doctor. Okay. Or if it is a mild disease or a weak disease, I may take a medicine that will decrease the pain. Okay. But I have to take this medicine under the supervision of adults. The supervision is to take the drug with my mother or with my father. I'm not alone taking the medicine. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay, what is the medicine? Medicine is a chemical material that can help us to feel better. Help us to feel better and remove the pain in our bodies. This is the medicine. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Have you ever had to take medicine, Hur?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name of the medicine that you you take? Do you know its name?
No.
No. Do you know for what? For which disease?
Yes.
For which disease? Which one?
Um. For being hot.
For being hot. Okay, very good. So this medicine help you, Hur, to feel that you are better, to remove the feeling of hotness in your bodies, in your body. Okay? All medicines are drugs. Drugs is a chemical material that it change how the body work. This is the drugs.
But,
Drugs,
but not all drugs.
Yes, very good. Not all medicines are drugs. Okay?
Sometimes the medicine with drops or tablets.
Very good. Drops or tablet? Tablets for who? Tablets for adults.
For the adult.
Yes. All medicines are drug. Drug is a chemical material that it change how the body works. Okay, this is the drug. All medicines are drug, but not all drugs are medicine. Okay, medicine help us to feel better. Okay, Hor? When we have
Okay.
pain, we feeling that we are hot, we have a pain in any part of our body, we can take medicine to remove the pain or to help us to feel better. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. But we must take the drug with the help of others, with the help of my mother or my father. I can't take it alone. Okay? An adult
Okay.
may buy certain medicines from a supermarket to treat a cough or cold. I can take these drugs for cough. Come on, tell me.
From the supermarket or the pharmacy.
Very good. The drugs that present in a supermarket, I can take it if I have pain or I have cough, like the medicine for cough or cold. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Medicine affect the body. Medicine affect our body and make us feel better. Remove the pain or remove the symptoms that we have when we are in illness or when we have a disease. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
Okay, and others may give you medicine to help you if you have headache. Do you mean the meaning of the word headache?
Yes.
Yes, headache when? Tell me.
When my head aches.
Yes, very good. When my head is aching or my head have a pain, this is called a headache. This is called a headache. Or fever. Do you know what the meaning of fever?
No.
Fever when I feel that I am hot. When the temperature of my body is high. This is fever. Okay? Okay. When I take a medicine, this medicine remove the pain in my head or remove the fever that I feel in my body. This is the effect of the medicine. So the medicine make us feel better when we have illness or we have a disease. It removes the bad symptoms that we have in our body, like headache, like fever. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
The medicine may take away the headache or bring down the temperature. Bring down the temperature, feel us that we are cold or decrease the high temperature of our bodies. Okay,
Or
Hor?
make us better.
Very good, make us better. So can you tell me about the medicine? What is the medicine?
The medicine is something we take it to feel better.
Very good. From where we can buy medicines?
From the pharmacy,
Or
the supermarket.
yes, very good. What symptoms that can medicine remove? Give me
Headache
example.
and
Headache. What the
fever.
meaning of headache?
When my head has ache.
Yes, very good. What's the meaning of fever?
High temperature.
Yes, when our bodies have high temperature. Medicine help us to remove headache and to bring down the temperature. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, حب. Talk to your partner about what you both know about medicine. Discuss this question. Why do we use medicine, حب?
Because if we have a fever or a headache, we can take it and we feel better.
Yes, so the medicine, we use them to make us feel better and to remove the symptom that we have. Okay, B. Where do medicines come from?
Pharmacy or supermarket.
Very good, Hur. Have you ever taken medicines?
Yes.
Okay. Which medicine did you take and why?
Um, I don't know what's the name of the medicine, but I take a medicine because I have a fever.
Okay, okay. If it's safe to take medicine that belongs to someone else, is it safe?
No,
No, why? What do you think?
because we have to go to the doctor and we can't take and make.
سامعاني يا حور؟
Yeah, أيوة.
Okay. If we take the medicine of someone else, we may feel ill because not all drug is safe for anybody. You are a kid. You are a child or a kid. If you take a medicine for an adult, it may make you feel ill. So everyone have to take the medicine that belong to him. You haven't to, you must not take the drug that belong to someone else. Okay? Because this may
Okay.
make you feel ill. It may make you feel ill. Okay, the next question. Why do many people keep medicine in cupboards where children cannot reach them?
Because if children can reach them, the children can take it and maybe can be ill.
Yes. Children also can take a big amount from the medicine. If they take a big amount or take too many from the medicine, it will make them feel ill, may harm them. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to take medicine only under the supervision of adults. With my mother or my father, I can't take it alone. Okay? And I must not take drug that belong to someone else. I have to take the drug that is belonging to me only. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
This is the safety that we are talking about. Only take medicine from an adult. Never take medicine by your own. You have to take it only with your mother, father, or if you have a big sister or brother, only. Don't take it alone. Never take medicines yourself without checking with an adult first because it may harm you. It may make you feel ill. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We have here a paragraph about someone called El-Razi. El-Razi was a medical researcher over 1,000 years ago. He was present 1,000 years ago. He said that when we got a fever, when our bodies feel that we have high temperature or that we are hot, what is the meaning of this? It means that it is a body way of defending you from illness. He said that, Razi said that if we feel a fever or we feel that our body have a high temperature, this means that our body is defending our body is trying to defend the illness or defend the disease that we have inside our bodies. This is why our body feel fever or feel that we are hot or have a high temperature. Okay, حور؟
Okay.
Okay, سامعني؟ And
أيوة.
he also described the symptoms of smallpox and measles. Smallpox and measles are two diseases. These two diseases, Razi describe the symptoms, describe what will happen if you have smallpox, or what will happen to your body if you have measles. All these
I know
things,
what will happen if we have measles.
tell me please.
We have a spot in our body.
Yes, what else?
I don't know.
We can feel fever, or that our body is hot. Also, is it infectious
Okay.
disease or it is not? It is non-infectious.
It's infectious.
Very good, Ho. So what we know about Al-Razi? Al-Razi was an Arab researcher. Medical researcher that was present 1,000 years ago. He tells us that when we feel that we are hot, or the temperature of our body is high, we have fever, this means that our body is trying to defend against the illness or defend against the disease. And he also described the symptoms that we have if we have a smallpox or we have measles. Okay, حور?
Okay.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Here we will talk about the safety while we are taking medicine. While we are taking, as I said to you, we have to take drug with an adult only. You must not take drug by yourself or by your own. You have to take it under the supervision of adults, like your mother, like your father, because it's dangerous, or it is a bad thing if you are taking the drug alone, because drug may make you, or medicine may make you feel ill if you take a big amount, or if you take a medicine that belongs to another one. Okay, if you get some illness such as tonsillitis, do you know the meaning of tonsillitis?
No.
Tonsillitis is when you are feeling inflammation in your tonsils. Tonsils is a part of your body which is present under your jaw, in your neck. Okay, tonsillitis يعني التهاب اللوز يا حور. جاتلك اللوز قبل كده؟ حور؟
نعم.
نعم، بقولك جاتلك اللوز قبل كده؟ عارفة اللوز؟
Oh.
Okay. When you have inflammation in a part of your body which is called a tonsils, we called it tonsillitis. Okay? So this is a type of a
Okay.
disease. It's a type of a disease called tonsillitis or measles. An adult should take you to see a doctor. If you have this illness, you have to go to the doctor and to explain the symptoms that you have to the doctor so he can identify the disease that you have. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, when you explain the symptoms that you have to the doctor may give you a medicine for the illness that you have. Okay, for?
Okay.
Okay. What is the form of the medicine that you may have? You may take a syrup. A syrup is a medicine in the form of liquid, like the syrup for cough. Okay, this medicine may be in the form of syrup, in the form of liquid. Okay, this the one form of medicine that you may take. It may be in the form of drops. Drops when you have a medicine for your eyes or for your nose or for your ears. We take it in the form of drops. Do you know it, Hur?
Yes.
Yes, okay. The other form of drug may be tablets. Tablets is like this one for adults. This one is called a tablet. This is called tablet. This one in this bottle is a syrup. Syrup is the drug in the form of liquid. This is a tablet in the form of hard pieces that adults can take. And this one is the drops that I'm talking about to you. Do you know it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we have the medicine in the form of syrup like this one, or in the form of tablets for the adults like this one, or drops like this one that we use for our eyes or nose or ears. They are drops. What also the forms of the medicine like this one? This one is called inhaler. Inhaler is a medicine that we take by breathing. When we have a disease in our lungs or in our trachea, you don't know trachea, in our lungs, we take something called inhaler. Inhaler is a drug that I am taking by breathing. Do you know it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Or the drug may be in the form of cream. Cream is when you take a medicine that you can rub on your skin. This is cream, called the cream. It's a medicine in the form of cream when you can rub it on your skin. When you have a bite from an insect or you have a sting, okay? Do you know the cream?
Okay.
Do you know the creams?
Yes.
Okay. And the drug also may be in the form of injection. Do you know the injection?
No.
No, injection like, do you take a vaccination?
Vaccination.
Injection is to use a syringe to take the drug. حقنة, injection, حقنة. Okay, this is a form of drug or a form of medicine also. Is to take the drug in the form of injection. Okay, Hur? So how many form of medicine do we have? We have now 5. The first one is the serum, when the medicine in the form of liquid. The second one is the drop when the drug is for our eyes or nose or ears, or tablets, which is for adults. They can swallow with water, these tablets, or maybe in the form of inhaler. Inhaler is the drug that we can take it by breathing, or it may be a cream. Cream, we can rub it onto your skin when you have a spot or you have a sting from an insect or you have anything in your skin. You can, what?
If you have burn.
Burn, very good. If you have burn, you can also use cream, very good. This is a form of medicine. We have also medicine in the form of injection. Okay, these are the forms of medicines. When we go to the doctor and explain to him the symptom that we have, he give us medicine. He write the medicine in a paper or a piece of paper called prescription. Prescription is a written note that have the details of the medicine. So when we go to the doctor and explain to him the symptom that we have or the disease that we have, he write to us a medicine. He write this medicine in a piece of paper or a written note called prescription. This prescription, written in it the details of the medicine that we have to take. Okay, Hur?
Okay.
Okay. So if the doctor prescribes a certain medicine, he will get a prescription. This is a written note with the details of the medicine. Then we take this prescription and go to the pharmacy, and the pharmacist give us the drug or the medicine that is written in the prescription. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so an adult must take the prescription to a pharmacy. This is a shop. The pharmacy is the shop where a pharmacist packages and sells medicine. So the place which have medicine and the pharmacist present in it and make packaging and selling the medicine is called a pharmacy. We go to it with the prescription to bring the medicine. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
Okay. So can you tell me about the forms of the medicines? Hor?
What are the forms?
Forms, the types of the medicines. They present in many types, like syrup, like drops, like
Syrup drops,
tablet,
syrup drops, tablets, cream, linear,
injection.
injection.
Okay. When we go to the doctor and explain the symptoms that we have, he gives us a paper. What its name? What is the name of this
Prescription.
prescription? Okay, he write in this prescription the medicine that we have to take. Where we take this prescription to bring the medicine?
From the pharmacy.
From the pharmacy. The pharmacy, the pharmacist present in the pharmacy give us the medicine. Okay. He is telling us to always ask an adult to help you if you feel ill. If you feel something wrong in your body or you feel that you are not better, you have to tell your mother or father or ask an adult to take you to the doctor. Don't take any medicine without it checking with an adult first. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
Okay, this one is an example of a drug that is prescribed to a lady called Sadia Yusuf. The instructions for the usage of this drug is written on it. This is the instruction. Instruction is the advices that the pharmacist write on the drug to help us how to take this drug. Okay, Hor? This is the instruction.
Okay.
Okay, when we take a medicine from a pharmacist, he write on it the way that we have to use the drug with. Like this one. The pharmacist tried for Sadia to take 2 tablets daily. Each day or every day, Sadia has to take 2 tablets. She have to take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet in the evening. This is the 2 tablets. One from them is taken at the morning and the other she will take it in the evening. Okay?
Okay.
He write for for Sadia, don't take more than 2 tablets in 24 hours. Sadia have not or must not take more than 2 tablets in 24 hours. Okay?
Okay.
The other instruction written on the drug is take these tablets with food. She have to take the tablet with food. In the morning, she have to take 1 tablet with the breakfast, and at the evening, she have to take the 2nd tablet with dinner. Okay, Hor?
Okay.
Keep out of reach of children and store it in a cool place. This is an instruction telling us to keep the drug always or all the time away from the reach of children because they can't recognize or can't understand that the medicine is a dangerous thing for them. They may take it or may take a medicine that is belonging to one other, or that they may take a big amount of medicine that may make them feel ill. Okay, Hor?